Here's a quick update on my funded challenge. I took two losses today, and honestly, I was just wrong on both. Let me break it down. So, the first trade I took was this counter trend trade. If you see, gold was on a very strong uptrend since morning with no proper retracement. So, I thought it was risky to buy at this point. My bias was bullish too on gold since it has bounced off this very strong support zone and it looks like gold is heading towards all time highs again. But because I didn't get a clean pullback to go long on gold, I was looking to short gold during a retracement. So I waited and hoped candles would react and reject from this resistance zone which I had marked. So eventually this 30-minute candle and a 15-minute candle closed bearish and multiple 5-minute candles was rejecting from this zone here, making me think that it couldn't go any higher, so it's bound for a retracement now. And that's when I entered short position. I totally messed around with my stop loss in this trade. Logically, I should be placing my stops just above this resistance because if it breaks or closes above this, then I'm already wrong in this trade. But instead I kept dragging it, afraid of getting wicked out just like in my last trade. But that fear made me give this trade too much room and I took a bigger unnecessary loss here. It was my fault here, I let my previous loss affect this trade. Now since I allow myself a max of 2 trades a day, I decided to take one more. So now that gold has finally retraced, I was looking for long entries here. So I noticed price taking support here and rejecting these lows. So I entered long here when this 15-minute candle came and swept liquidity of this previous low and closed above this support zone, thinking it will now move up. But I was wrong here, gold was done buying for the day and it will consolidate here for some time before making any big move again. And in hindsight, this is actually where I should go short on gold, as this was a classic head and shoulders pattern, which is a trend reversal pattern. But of course, when you're trying to recover losses, your vision gets cloudy, and that's exactly why we need to come into the market with a clear mind. So here's where I stand with this challenge now. I'm down 1.7% on this funded challenge. And you can see here, I have not taken any trades since my last trade on the 26th, and I took this trade today and lost $97.50. Everything's visible here on my Funding Pips dashboard. Now this sucks, but it's not the end. I've made these mistakes before, and this time I'm able to see them more clearly. Stick around for more updates.